I'm gonna start with a short story today. Years ago, I was sitting with one professional matchmaker in the dating industry, and she was showing me her entire workflow, which was very outdated. She was showing it that she was using Excel sheets. She was using Google Forms for intake. And then also she was using project management software and task management software. Everything was disconnected and it was very unproductive. She had a hard time matching her clients, hundreds of profiles every day, and it was almost impossible to provide quality matches and quality introductions in a very timely and accurate manner. And that's when I asked her, how many other matchmakers in the world are actually having the same problem? She told me thousands. And that's when it clicked. We started building professional matchmaking CRM. And now, years later, Smart Match App is the #1 matchmaking CRM in the world. We have created more than 1 million matches for professional matchmakers, mentorship organizations, communities, and networking organizations all around the world. And the use cases are just keep coming and coming because there is so many ways that you can connect people together and introduce people in a very accurate and very timely manner, that it is important to have the cutting edge technology that we provide. And more importantly, the technology changes every year. And now with the AI at our doorstep, we cannot ignore it. We are also building in the AI technology into the CRM. And today, we're going to cover how to use AI for your matchmaking business and how to scale your matchmaking business to the next level using the cutting edge technology available today. So stick around. I'm going to reveal today why 95% of all the matchmakers are missing one critical element and how to use the modern matchmaking technology using AI systems to help you increase your business. Like, for example, one of our clients recently who increased her overall revenue by 42% just by simplifying her workflows, automating and using AI for her matching algorithms. She was able to increase her business by more than 40%. Why does all this matter today? Why would you care about upgrading your technology for your matchmaking business? Well, matchmaking industry is growing, but it's becoming more and more competitive. Also, your clients are more demanding. They want better quality matches. They want more transparent matches. They expect results today or even yesterday. And that is not so easy with outdated matchmaking technology. Everybody is talking about AI, and matchmakers are asking, how can I use AI in my business? Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? Can it help my business? Or in fact, AI is not compatible with matchmaking and matchmaking should be all manual and personalized? Well, stick around today. We're going to go over all the major problems and the solutions that we can provide to you using a cutting edge technology and experience in the matchmaking industry that we have. Let's start with problem #1. Match quality, it doesn't anymore just depend on simple criteria like both people like hiking or not, both people like to go out and to a restaurant, or they're both vegetarian or not. There are a lot more criteria, and most of it is not on the surface. It's about chemistry. It's about patterns, behavior patterns, and also psychographic data that you cannot easily collect or use in a matchmaking without a cutting-edge technology. And yet your clients are expecting perfect matches and meaningful connections without any sacrifice. What to do? Problem #2, administrative tasks. Today, a lot of tasks are depend on how you manage your communications, follow-up, reminders, and also emails, incoming, outgoing, tasks, all of that, and calendar, events, dates. It's very hard to do it in different platforms and transferring data between one platform to another. So there is a real need for one integrated platform for your business. Problem #3, client expectations. We already talked a little bit about it, but today the clients are different. They want the matches today, but they also want to know why you're matching someone with this rationale. Why is it a good match? Can you provide information about the matching criteria? Can you provide information about, is this match going to be a good match for me and not a waste of time? And that is a problem that cannot be solved without some amazing technology, cutting edge technology and workflow. And before I reveal my solutions, I would like to remind you that you can easily book yourself a 30-minute demo in the link below and get a completely free discovery call with one of our team members. We will help you to understand our technology. We'll give you a complete walk through the system. And not more than that, we're actually going to, for free, set up your system and make sure it works. If it doesn't work for you, you will not pay anything. It's completely free to get yourself an amazing start with Smart Matchup system today. Let's talk about the solution. In the AI matchmaking, the solution revolves around 5 core principles. And we're going to go over those principles now, one by one. Principle number 1 is intelligent matching algorithms. AI allows us today to use deeper matching criteria than, for example, the stated preferences such as height or time preferences or political preferences. We can go actually into deeper data such as communication styles, behavioral patterns, or psychographic data. Time and time again, when AI implemented properly, we see significant increases in the matching results. In some cases, our clients are able to improve their matchmaking accuracy by 40 to 50%. Another important area is the feedback loop. With the AI, it can be a lot more systematic. It can be also a lot more intelligent, refining itself on the ongoing basis based on the matches that you create and the feedback that you get from clients. You can significantly increase the accuracy and efficiency of your introductions and your matches. Again and again, we see the results going through the roof, 50% higher efficiencies, and scaling the matchmaking business is pretty much proven. One of our clients in the mentorship program increased their efficiency by up to 75% actually. The AI is getting smarter and smarter after every match. The feedback system is one important part of the total secret. There's more coming, so stay tuned. Another important principle, seamless integration. Of course, this has to be connected with all your platforms, your entire business ecosystem. Your matching system must talk to your CRM, to your email platform, to scheduling tools, and client portal. It goes without saying that if this is all set up correctly, your matchmaking business, be it business networking or professional organization for membership organization, your time savings will go through the roof, and you can save hundreds of hours of time when everything is connected and integrated seamlessly together. The next important principle is transparent match explanation. So every time today, the clients, when they get matched, they want two explanations. Why is it a good match for me? Why should I go out with the match? And the answer is the AI matching platform can help you get those answers and provide those answers to your client together with the introduction. So there is complete transparency and efficiency. With every match, your client will be very satisfied and will be loyal with your services and will talk about your services. The last pillar is preemptive matching. Now that's new and that's very powerful. Preemptive matching is matching people based on predicting their compatibility, not necessarily working just with set preferences, but trying to evaluate how compatible the match can be based on behavioral patterns, communication styles, any information that you have in their database, open text, descriptions of what they like, what they don't like, the entire story of the client. All of that can be used to create a preemptive match suggestion, which you can use then to make the final introduction. And again, results are showing that it's very effective in helping matchmakers. Now, you can still decide to make those matches to be the final decision point, whether to introduce somebody or not. But the matching AI can actually give you suggestions faster, smarter, and give you the factors that you would not consider otherwise, because they're hidden in the bio, for example, in a one-page bio that you uploaded there in your database that you don't have time to read necessarily every day. You could use this information to create preemptive matches and at least get suggestions on each potential match. And it again increases your efficiencies by at least 50 to 80% every single day. Now, at this point, you might be asking yourself, how do I implement it without hiring a whole bunch of technology scientists, developers? And my answer is that's why I created Smart Match App, the platform that is already using AI and already giving you the best technology possible to run your matchmaking business. The step number one in implementing matchmaking platform with AI is always start with an audit of your current process. We have success managers in our team who can meet with you for a free discovery call and audit your entire matchmaking process to identify where the bottlenecks are, what manual steps you want to get rid of, and where does your process fall short of expectations. The next step would be to migrate your data from other system. If you're using another system, we can move all the data seamlessly, import it, transfer the data to our CRM, because we're going to need all the data we can get in your new matchmaking CRM system, Smart Match App. Step number three, we're going to work on algorithm customization. We need to train our system. We need to give this information to our system so that it can start making suggestions for you, intelligent matchmaking suggestions for you based on the data we implemented and based on the workflows that we created. We will create feedback system so that your clients can give you feedback. That feedback can be used in the next matches, in the next introduction, so that the system teaches itself and provides you even more intelligent suggestions and more precise matches in the future. And of course, last but not the least, we need to integrate the system with all the tools you're using to deliver matches efficiently. It could be email system, which we have internally. It could be calendar and event, a date setting up system, which we have internally, cross availability, and task management, follow-up management, reminders. All of that will be implemented also as part of the entire system, so there's no matches that are falling through the cracks. An entire ecosystem is working very hard 24/7 for you to help you deliver matches, quality introductions, and scale your business. This creates a powerful loop. The created new technology gives you a powerful cycle. Better matches, higher satisfaction. Better detailed feedback, even better matches. Our clients who implement the system see results pretty much immediately, even just using one or two of these elements. It just depends where your business is and where you want to take it and how much time you want to initially invest into setting up the perfect system, which will then run by itself literally and help you in your matchmaking business on a day-to-day basis. We created this entire process, entire ecosystem using AI and automation and powerful productivity tools in Smart Match App based on working with hundreds of matchmakers all across the world, across the entire spectrum. If you want to implement this and get the entire blueprint for using the technology in your business, all you have to do is click below, get a free demo and a free setup and consulting from our team. And you're going to be on your way to success with technology in 2025. In just 30 minutes, you will learn everything that you need to learn how to start using matchmaking CRM, AI, integrating it in your current ecosystem, and start scaling your business and growing your revenues to the next level. Remember, matchmaking is a growing industry and the AI is the new technology that is changing rapidly. You need to have a reliable platform, a reliable partner for your business that specializes in matchmaking, knows A to Z everything that you require in your business, and is able to implement and move quickly as quickly as the entire industry and this entire ecosystem of AI and technology and automation is moving, and yet adapting it to matchmaking business so that you don't have to have any technical expertise, any development expertise. You just need a partner like Smart Match App who can take care of all the technology for you before the problem even exists. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.